475 El Camino Real. We're right next to the Valero gas station. You may park on the street. It's 2-hour street parking. And there's also a parking lot on the side of the building. Once you find parking, enter the building through the front. Once inside, you'll see the elevator straight ahead. You want to take the elevator to the 4th floor. Once you arrive at the 4th floor, safety training seminars will be in suite 413. So once we exit, go straight ahead. Once you reach the end, you'll want to make a right. And suite 413 is the second door on your left. Enter the code that's provided to you on your email here on the keypad. Come on in. You may log into any station so that you can begin your RQI skill test.